Ready to scale your partnership marketing? Let's make it happen with UpPromote. You open your affiliate program to applicants worldwide and sign-ups start rolling in. Then you notice something. Some stop halfway through your registration form and never finish. It's a common problem. If your registration form isn't in your applicant's own language, good affiliates give up before they even finish signing up and you never get the chance to onboard them. UpPromote's registration form translation, powered by Google Translate, fixes that instantly. Here's how. From your dashboard, go to Home, then click Customize your registration page. On that page, find the Enable Google Translate toggle and switch it on. Then click Save to apply it. Now applicants see a translate option right on your registration form. They can switch it to their own language, read every field clearly, and finish signing up without any confusion. That's your affiliates covered. You can also set your own UpPromote dashboard to your preferred language. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, find the language option, and switch it to the language you're most comfortable working in. Ready to stop losing signups to a language barrier? Go to Home, then customize your registration page and switch Enable Google Translate on. Want to get more out of UpPromote? Check out more tutorials to get the most out of UpPromote.